For our second stage, it's contestant number 2. Blue naman yan.
Kinder C yan, Kinder C. Kinder C, Kinder C.
The winner, the first place is contestant number 6.
Yay! Kinder C, Kinder C. Di ba yan? Hindi naman. Oo nga pa.
Congratulations! All contestants are already winners in their classrooms. Okay, so, but of course, we have to choose your winner. Okay, so they will be trained by one of our judges.
Wow, praise the Lord.
So that they will be ready for the contest in January. Okay? So thank you. And in Filipino, congratulations, mommy, daddy, and the children.